So no fanfu. Yes. The penny say, oh, when ye ebony, pardon the penasem, ebony, no what to say, ebony, no what to say. Oh, yeah. Wo. Akwani we di fa so be pan wo nyae. Watan huru ni ani bre, ani kurasi sama na wo yem. Din ani die be pan wo nya free. Otimi nanti kurom abra onko be 5 centimeters and as a 5 meters 5 meters abra hu bola e wa bonti eya na to da bia odwene ho a eya wonti ase onko 5 meters abra onko to bola baby abedu bia bola ye kromma eya bi no mielu ye nku asesem a ya ayeye ene na ma bola atiate se ewukuru hwe ene mi kwase sema me de brew sei netie ye okufo bebre wo mo nam a onum issue e bia no ato atwe e kwase sema bibia wodi no ato atwe e kwase sema mesrew bibia wo no area wo no ya sheda pe das bi de sisi kurum wo de bi ni wa fakura fadru fie ana bru bibia bola wa na ade ato na munye kwase sema ne se bibia bedru bia na to bola bu enye esa called malaria brain ni umienu cholera emi ni umienu ya ni masa ni mani ni namba ade eyin kwasisem we eyin kwasisem segment am dia bro ene na yen sem a da ba so no Ghana the hypocrisy level no the rate at which are so no ano thing just recently any di ebony the 3 years ebony rains na hima just now year ni di ebony ni 3 years na me ba be kai won sembi me di do for Michael me su shama bonti afre me fie sana na meje oso so o twa na fie sana on ti asa me se hwehwe fie sana bo hu ba bia me free timi tran ki kan wa adwin timi ki kan kwasasem enche nipa pani bra blue street ne so kan mi dwuma di na me de bro de bia wo hu mi wo squeeze ne so pe no se kan mi I have too much GH na ne me se da ba konsemu bebre e ba hyase ebony kwa ebony hyase e ba ye obegina so omo bo ma ne career no e ko na ni ani kurasefo ni womu nim nyansa ye fe bi destiny killers sa destiny killers no omu nyina be ka omo hunsem e wa ha now ye destiny killer chasele sawabi no Ghana ha no ekofo bi pese omo fa krobo bi famfu so ni famfu yes the penny say oh when ye ebony pardon the penasem ebony no what to say ebony no what to say oh ye wo akwani wo ye di fa so be pan wo nyae watan huru ni ani bre ani kurasi sama na wo ye din ani die be pan wo nya free so obi be hwe this year sa akolai she was having such a great talent me say oh ye the 3 years anniversary and on Facebook for how in Facebook for the other try to be a one near carry say on friends the history thing yeah carry reminder yeah carry said this date which shall be going to Facebook and I'm telling you what I wrote on my Facebook wall they said nobody should tell me about Ebony 3 years ago. That time, you won't be war. Now you're championing Akwala course because not a great talent. And now, then I'm crossing for my baby. And I'm winning way. Ebon ne be money. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Kurasefo na munim hwe. Akwa we hyase ama etimenya ebon duku. Etimi benya ebon atade. Ebon star. Musem kurasefo ye. Mwana mo ye ya ka akwa ne hye na akwa no wawu. Wokọ. Akaye obewe ama. Obewe Maxine you obewe. Body no obewe. See why you kase. See the body ni na arotin ewa ewudomi. Tell your open. Tell your open. We travel more basima, me ba, and some of the best of me mo call of you about too much GH. Me say subscribe channel with the share. O subscribe one, me say share. Ma comment mra. Comment ni hia me change bia. We and a show we ye dedicate ama ebony. E won so okọ. Panifo de kan I say chechrema mpro ebony ja bibi e wo ho. Akola no wo hyase no. Na eye me ya say akola no the date of birth and the month of birth. Ebuana akola ni sa wuye. Such a great talent. Such a nice lady. She was so beautiful. Dini ne honam se or hima ebony straight. So only me beya adwene kaka utirim Ghana ye share nyom to ase free Palm One music. Free Palm One music. Eba High Life, ba boga High Life. Eba Hip Life. Some of them would get na be real. Catch me say from time I hear music in Ghana. Everyone is so baby and Aba Ghana. I'm not being biased, but I'm transcending assessing. Ghana have more bomb about Tonyum. Yes, so no bow my Tonyum, a Ramabedu. On so on a lie, me do just everything. Abba, a Ramabedu, and a Timmy, a big Gina, no Tonim. On a crown, no a police officer, 80, signing Diano, any other man, no, a man, a young Ton be relevant. A Ramabedu. Of blessed memory, when you baby call them, if I can't see ye. Maybe one man or some number or more be relevant. Our Ghana music, some more dear on your relevant. My more dear on your relevant. A rubber bedu will buy any moon. Yeah, maybe to say, gospel, you may find for gospel for the day. Moon grand and the moon was in the ink. Yen fa gospel ase e ka omo ma nwum to ye nwum to gospel nye nwum to gospel nye nwum to munimule gospel for munimule e fru onu na ye baya benya abrewana nanom e benya ayi o dabi abrewana na twen ansa sama mi de osai ye ayi akoso japoma Akose Japoma. Legend, Akose Japoma. Yes, Akose Japoma. Obeja lebe sibu o se mi say na. Oka Akose Japoma. Yes. Akose Japoma no buy. Abrona na musu betwi frem. Abrona na betwi frem na nya the likes of Miss Belmont. Huh? Ebenya Miss Belmont. Ewa musa. Emu hona ne betisi. Tiffany Numuni Jesse Refi Jesse ya sheshe wo Richie hoy Miss V Numuni easy baby easy easy talking of me put the relevant kwara no ene easy Numuni Tiffany Numuni Gary Odi Oyanesi Ojako Wadi Kaki Omunya be try amfa. Ebony be jinem. Ebony obi jinem. Ebony shase ko 40 me po kan se me bo. Na ensem no edoso. Na manya me nua bi oha. Ye be boy Ebony nsem no ama. No say Ebony we living legend, I'm telling you. Na sa wo mu a na kra ne ti ase. Hypocrisy ni jimi ni nyansem na mo ya media shimmy sa kra ne wuye wie no. Some crofona no mo sabotage akram. They are putting Ebony's posters and their videos on their walls on social media. That is hypocrisy. I'm telling you. Wow, quality as now sabotaging be no wuye. The 3 years anniversary. Oh wuye po. We didn't poster, we didn't video. It will start and then we cut to the chiaka. I'm telling you. The chiaka. Sad me ben ya ka ho. Sad me chin ya ka ho. Na me chiamka. Telling you. Yes. Sanya manu nyai. Let's support our own. Yamma the industry no emie. Mo ye ya mo ma Miss V ko cash. And now Ebony Ekoye. And I'm say Ebony na the legacy property. You hear the likes of Wendy Shea, you hear the likes of Iona, you hear the likes of Gay Azaro for signing. Oh, Gay Azaro for signing. Oh, you know, they are all turning the part of Ebony. Yes, I am fat. My invite Andy Ewo Studios. Andy Bra, live program here, you know. Any Bra Blue Street in this one. And for years, Zansem. And for 4 years, hypocrisy. A Zansem and for 4 years. Obia per se, a Korani William. Or persuading whom Bata said, a Korano. Ebony. A chassis, say I will not see women.
Okay, Ebony, tell me what chassis Monday. Ebony meaning 50 SHS.
Wow,
not
yes.
Junior or junior.
Sure.
Most times when you come to John or come and tell these girls.
Sure.
Then yeah, programs or but I don't know any musician, but not a dancer.
No, a dancer. No, Ebony a dancer. And you me one.
Those days I'm not twerks in your never.
Or twerk, say you know.
Wow. For no for one.
Yes.
You know those days, you know, entertainment scene which is a 1 high school.
And
I'm so cram on high school.
Okay.
I'm out with me in school crap and I'm so rap music. But then the way I rap music scene, way I said a different any system.
Sure, I know the
girls will be now when you commit to me. I started serving, but then almost system name now almost anything, but then girl will break it. Boundaries when you now out.
Sure.
And I start by self-learning by my fire. I'm in the birthday. Girls now see on motor snow.
Oh, what come with them? Oh, money, what come with them? They know. So they know. What come with them?
But to be I mean, I'm not come from the moon now. I don't come from them. I say classify as a female artist because them man cannot be now bomb pet.
Oh, see, and you classify
as a female artist.
Everybody.
Oh, tell them man class.
This girl's a legend.
See
the Andika.
Oh yeah.
See the worker. No in the junior. Secondary level. So what has some worker was saying? Akola no tokwa obekum music industry no. Eni kwa say kede come man.
Obvious.
Sure.
And I was share and then we people your girls in the breed because girls in the breed now cuz our style of music no munya come be that sexually suggestive way.
Sure.
Munya come be.
Say royal home.
But then that perception was say oh the system with the M5 and they will be quite on my girls in the breed.
Oh any two.
Me body very trip.
Boy feel free na bo. Feel free na bo.
Sure bit say when the shame money na no. Wa break am. On carry the over so carry them kase.
Oh yes. Why you video bi kura wo ye no say oni o ye no say Ebony. Yes I am fine.
Sister fiamu na se fast. Girls.
Good.
And carry no you can about it. But then see I be a platform some of the Ebony or you artists be like I think say ye nya necessary view.
Na Andy on say Ebony ni duma oba ye obedi o music industry. In music industry no oti ase no. Ase dem go for beef no. Ana net say.
Beef there say e want say even only man express carbona. Because
Okay.
will be out of nowhere. No, a big blue pack. Just I don't know so what by me and can say your underground artist and
Yeah,
blow up straight. Oh, see, one was system no better 20 years. Because
omo ya nobody, omo system no 10 years, 20 years sir. Most music, massa. You are just supporting them to do music. Me dey be am see we are say you want. There were 3 musicians and you go punch that ball baby. And I'm saying this on authority. Omo ya me say we are seeing now. And I'm mentioning names on this show because Asam was a maker. Bob Marley, Michael Jackson, and Daddy Lumba. Oh, Kenya, they are just doing music to support them. Oh yes, oh yes. Kaya boni nanka, kako but when you na man tell us right. To aso ma me nua.
Yeah, I don't know say na we come. Ohia Ghana industry no.
Sure.
One of the only artist, female artist or stand out because me oba utini dem to like Anna or you'll be so dropping every track you drop here was a hit.
A hit track.
Only flop track, only track and you can say
a bonny boy and no answer.
Or they release it back to back. I'm on this Shatawale crying, you're not Shatawale face if you're not a dinner and you're not selling, but then
are you one done?
One done Shatawale, yeah.
Oh really?
Oh, I'm on your feature, I'm going to studio cry.
Ah, you see oh Chiansana because massa shut up, let me tell you. And then Sika will pay free manager or bullets. And no ne akwa no shamene. And no ne. Ya so ye cut me king. Me say wo de me onya show me be man. So onya show me in advance. No, listen, you see you are doing business. Oh, business now oh yeah. It also be before. But you see the music is there for all of us to just see say I was say you're trying to build the industry. May you see, I hear me and say, now all these people are trying to say, no, akwalane yadie. What was preventing us say, you must akwalane yadie?
I mean, starting fish at all.
Sasefo.
Because Shatawale, an artist like Shatawale, only known for helping up and coming. Because me knew artists like Shatawale, Abuano.
Me who say Shatawale so crash that's what feature with that.
Recently, now I have some featuring the American Wave. No,
I don't so American no I don't Friday there. And no one say we say that can was a cheat.
No, what artists be as if the artist is about outer, then there was speculations about say he was demanding 50K for appearance fee for video. And I said,
for appearance fee. So video say one done. One done. Shatter. Appear video.
Yeah.
50K.
Yeah, we roughed down on Wednesday. I said, only the voice in crane fee.
Yeah, Kaiwo. Everybody tears and yeah, Kaiwo. Recap of the whole story near the amount.
So only the voice in crane fee track. So after that, I said, you need track and fee. So I said, you know, the two is most. But then, sponsor the most popular song. But then, we need our sponsor, we need awards. If such a then, on the friend say, you need voice if you're not flop. I know Shatawale.
I can't hear Shelly Flower. You
yes, I look at our water. You are 2 years in your head.
He
said, oh, per se, you voice, not and you to you. And then you know, so to you. And you know, one of the biggest songs in Ghana.
Yes,
still currently.
Yes.
I get it.
And now, I'm phoning, I know I'm with a jam.
Not if years along the line, not girl, no, if you want. You say person, I only girl in your problem or. Skasemo say you voice now. What's about that bed? Cause a girl with you. As a okay, my papa fan.
Say Ghana for the food. Ghana for the food.
Only vanity as no.
What tiasi? O me helu. O ma followers me follow who everyone. What you mean? O me ka shata o me ka just say. Me when time and me shase and you me brand bandana. Masa before you became bandana, people were there. Nyame na ye wadon na akoba. Oba ya nso nye kwasefo bi ne dan no wuri mu a ka you Shatawale. Oh, you see, let's be relevant. Ni party asia na me ti asia me ka say we feel say oh obofo there waka na adwen me wu a po so be post oh this guy was very broadly crying. Oh, this guy was very outspoken this guy, he's for Canada. This guy, sweet words, say it to me now. Oh, mama, send the mommy neck. And came Mammy one sana. Will Jimmy have a jail? Yes, I will No, you see, and let's be frank with Ghanaians. Oh, sometimes, mama, have bread. I think. Trust mommy.
You voice no, and then we'll go on the way we need artists of the year. We'll join our congrats. I'm not going to free.
You know, sir, girl, so and then winning consistently 2 years. Me woman, this time I cried. I'm not just for cry to war. Yes, no, I saw what you know. And then I cried. Even the summer I cried the 2 hours, the summer. In your 2 hours. Mumu bebre na mu makane dachi. You see, it's so pathetic. And I will hope. Say, yen na one say, yen artist no. That's the way. Yes, that I your home and some part. The artist we actually that put you video say, I'm using it to just promote this artist. Apart from say, we whom Sakodia or they Busum Pion. That's how one call Kenya Simbia.
No, yes, since. But then was it honestly not the young for backlash and so more. But yes, though, was it in your market and getting this company?
Yes, because me, Sir, or near Busum Pion, then will put me, let me move Busum Pion that. Or posting a year or no Busum Pion so by a sack what they go by also. I'll be dinner because no wedding by some person. Obey that. One way obey that. When there's a new now, obey that. I'm telling you, apart from Sarkodie, this top artists, have you been seeing them say, yeah, Obi should have post you, Obi video, and now Obi music, be say, oh, you follow Sir.
Nobody does. Obi and you know I'm new. Sarkodie, I did over years. But yes, the one the same person I go for, I need to say, on one will be, I don't know, one of some person in the form of Sikao today.
Uti, we boss be the catcher was you. A foot will be a thank you. Fakoyeduma, and Fakudi, Futubi and Messinsa. Then come fair, we know the truth. Andy, sorry, or bray ye, you say, maybe you're soon in Amenco, and Passacer Maka. Shauna, Andy, Bama, you see, Swa. Oh, did you good? Have good sex, no good drink. Oh, Cordianis, and see the good. Then no good drink, energy thank you. Oh, Fappe baby, never did the good now. Boon said, baby, our number, the future, every give a wood. Na se me kasa na kwasa sem ti no so one of a footoni bia bi mu so feel say e betimi aba but yetimi nya bibi sama ni ya say yen artist no yen support your artist no e do platform bia utimi twe obi nyom na bia be 1 minute bi na dey to platform so be sell
Ghana dey without it.
Oh, seriously.
Ghana your industry.
I don't know about it.
They are not ready.
Obi IG page over about 2 million views. Followers.
Up to now, and I'm say, go first on social media. Over almost decades. Go first say and share of music. So not so more was for the albums in TT. Kwame was for the albums in TT. So I got the albums in TT. Boys be only more ground for me to miss and win with TT. Oh, there was no one there. Obi I read room. Obi I one or two. One another was like one or two. It is all about wow, be dear.
But me who say when we who say the video, man, me share trailer kakra, sponsor trailer kakra, and the comfort, and into funny beer. Me wo more numbers. I'm sure we deep rest well.
Anybody will do your so fast. I would say also about to not be just so fast in the end. So someone else opportunity you very more.
Sad dream. Again, they are playing the war. Music industry be one. Yeni one. Really? Any bread.
And I said, that's a base and so crash.
And you cross the same Jimmy. And when somebody me say any bread, I need bread, you cross the same Jimmy. And Obi only bread, baby. I mean, another kind. A face on a kind. Or say, what any bread off a Jimmy. And you cross the same. And now, until a man crosses some woman. To be in crossing to say in crosses. Next, I say, new brand and a war music industry. Though a bit me baby, Sunny money to meet me.
And they just say they work.
Oh, Bra, nothing.
Oh, but this breed of artists they on here,
8 million person.
Once even come on share system in woman, we will be creating a problem. No, we can solve for some shame. There's all kind of ground that you have or two who got that. In the end, oh, so now I have one down what else or your shows for West Coast morning or whatever. Artists do a film. And Koran of Mullen Munin or whatever. But they will on me and the peace concert. Or she artists they could
Yes, Obia go perform me.
Down what's your mom of Franco, Boo and Mom of her presence. Unyapon over room. Unyapon over room. India, what's your say there in you, but would ya? On our own self.
So we and now Chidan Gamin said, MP Sunomani, a fay, your man is dead by now.
Now, one crack of ball with 50,000.
And 50,000. Oh, also, I can also your machine. You made you a kind me. We made blow anytime we are a band about the fire. Or more beans in moon, said the previous. Now, Yamu sends in moon. You see, now, Mammy Musa, before you bay a nail repair. One more, everybody call you, I be dinner here. The funny say, or more be dinner here because they are also doing music like everyone. To say, I own a nom, to say, when the shade, and I gave back we as I look from 4 signing. Tisha. Thank you, Ras. Ras, you too. Tisha. One there yet to say, one future to say.
Okay, mean, and clarify the streets direct.
But only because ye did a bonny. Who is she and a young food? Come on, not Tiasi. The first son who is she, if you know whom you had. So no future.
If you
Isa Tisha no name, Iona name. When you cried, you say the when you say when you can t-shirt, a planet bread. Own person, ya, only the t-shirt, I mean, now a droning, only shoe, a name, milk powder. Oh, milk powder. Who's a milk powder of the circle? I said, so we make powder good shoe, say you should share. What's a clotty? And he said, who did the Garia? What said Gary? Say, I won't say. And did I mean? It wasn't so different. I was a Nina Pie, was it? Milk powder. Bro, some of us over here, when the shade. And today, when the shade here, me come if you do it. No weapon fashion when the shades are prosper. Whatever is a crowd, the talent should be a matriarch. I'm telling you. Sound of phone, or sharp, on future with ebony line, etc.
Okay, before industry, before I was able to grow tough skin. And I was share a bit ebony, no guitar song.
Tough skin. One technique.
On no can come on out the pass of say, on no can the can. On no can say the kind say no. Oh, mission interviews, couple of interviews with one man say, let's see who did what's say us.
Let's just bad girl.
Let's say no. Oh,
yes.
Someone is also cancer.
Ghana can be.
Oh,
Ghana can be.
So no big kaya condemn no crans and into the other baby and a waste of time because I'm really kaya. My way, almost shame is almost as a more almost as a
more tough skin.
What I say,
Auntie, that's all more like I in some.
As I say, almost as something might be found on but if you don't say, I say, I want to know better. We share girls with you, we can't even be here with us. Depression, Miss V.
Oh, Miss V,
Tiffany can't do me.
Oh, let Tiffany, the money is money there. Oh, my young fa, oh, money there, I don't find out more.
Yes, I was it. Almost same balance a canon, come on, shit.
Shawuni, Sassim, Mammy Cassim in Chile. So, Shamway artists, we upcoming artists. Let me tell you, Ghana, I want every negative story be the ya found. Take it to your feet. I'm telling you. Ghana ha. Ubie ni nyansa. Ti asema me kan yi. Ghana ha ubie ni nyansa. Ubie fi nyansa ni wo. To ubie abeso bia be kan nyansa sama kire obi. Do munya yen kwase asem. Yesu edi be mamu. I'm telling you. Edi be mamu. And so what na artist no obi kan ho asem. Na afi se nye no kora. Opa yi ano. Opeso me nyamba Ghana ha. the person Matthias and say, Sasamian or Kura, you come and be if you be propaganda, it's only in Ghana and you use propaganda. You bear your propaganda. You bet me a cana and children of Kura. That is the country that we are living in. Tadibu ona we are so serious. What's that? Social media no, it's if you need quantity data, who a borrow data. Eti sankrofo no. After so we go tough skin. They will be no.
Okay, Anna, coffee no sound also. Coffee no.
But you see music here. One your copy. Hate music.
What's that?
Oh, copy. But too much.
Picking inspiration is different from self copy.
Oh, copy. Yeah. Also a cover. Offensive.
Cover.
Cover. Cover.
Obo no ma obeti na picking inspiration from Olipano. And not just pick the positive aspects of Olipano or their cow or craft no.
Okay.
I will go on my A to Z. They will Olipano can need to go can get on. I don't know also how to create a brand. But so on feel yourself so here the ebony like. Say you are the ebony city. Ebony is over for into person ebony like you need ebony.
Okay.
Until say if ebony pan go back to and music no so there are platforms they bit ma go back and put it. Say ebony na pedia enye won na be share go back na program with ebony. Until they are all copy na in the alpha. Until also want to be creating on brand.
After say when you top skin.
Yeah.
Now we just copy. No create one gas our brand.
Into creative brand.
Brand dey there di o.
That thing is in industry. A creative one into when you already sell brand then we also it's
okay.
Until say ultimate creative brand area. Then Anna some later. Okay. On the wire inspiration. No some pick name. By saying that we are the back say any people I say the same type of music.
Obiara Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Obiara Michael Jackson.
And then Michael Jackson. Oh, it was any varieties.
Okay.
Any varieties like difference. Let me differentiate. Just almost say who we are to be carried but not just say the music now oh yeah. And it's to create a brand now more top skin I think it'll be good.
Wow. Andy or a music expert. Or a music expert. You can't say so person we artist. Now you quite Andy or a music expert. Anything about music, about branding, about media works, any sign of money na and no na Andy the specialty ewo. Ojina ha no nyini pe hu keke kam fa ni ojina ko me show no suit me kan kwasa samo nko. You see, we nyema yen artist ni be so musua. And mami mu say last questions be na me nya o ma wonko. Ebony. If you say dear be na attract sa a time about the company sa.
So I come from the beginning. Out of nowhere, panic.
Say obia na nwene ho say wona mo ya se
was an accident in so bad obey underground
na wo bre
bobo
shows
get to shows na we go buy no ye be bill a shatawale ni sa ko dem headline no so headline oba na ben da na buy 3 months 4 months only shatawale na da billboard so
any esu ye ba da ben any e be bre o
I get into e won him de wo say ya jine 15 years still we
te say akwa we the polity oh equipment
Pop skinny wa
tell you pop skinny wa bread time pop skinny wa bread rough wa bread fucking pop challenge you too hey bro you should not tire what you the blow music industry still ever far the year for them you ever far you hear that also I can affair very well pop skinny challenge you pop skinny we say no man all of those streets still ever what is pop skinny bow and show say pop skinny go on this is a pool party I tell him I need to be honest pop skinny he knows it pop skinny knows it yes he knows it pop challenge how be US Ubagana challenge here kasa pop skinny be play it sir you see eti let's just say your music industry you need to have a top skin you need to pass through the chain and say you are to now you share ebony wu here e kwa fa so e di ebony wu to you you feel say you should be free one say and accident and now so a man ebony buye any the controversies around for say or same conforma and yeah do you think say we've learned something from it?
I say the game we have lessons.
Okay.
The game we have lessons, but then I don't think say you will be influence Casivia like I say we won't know we don't start our friends because we any down the wall.
Sure.
And I'm crying about so.
Oh yeah.
I saw for we the prophecies by say
girl. Oh any be Nigel Gaze. Any by Eagle prophet any by and sa we go with you cry among big platform. Nigel no money they go prophet money. You cry the cake either. Take a perception relevant. Man keep.
It's so good. If says I understand no DHS so until so ababu. Okay. Because I see go until measure them sir. Until complete one. Now should them go na nkan ti gugu so.
Okay, let me go with them.
What I say. Inti sa na you know say o give me the life no be here na. And it's kind of when kind of ana Washington no tell anyone.
So we show Ghana for color say so for be say kan akora na emu a ko show Ghana for color.
Nti wona wo bompa yoku.
Yes, we be na me sa asem no opa wa so ye sofo a wo say sa ne ma nti e na o bompa ye ma e boni opa twiti bra. O sa sofo na me no me pese me body but this time in true challenge ama wo sofo kora wo say na e boni your day but obese Ghana for color. I want you to stick your neck out. Chuti, bless it, and make over for me. I'm kind. Betty. And you see, in your sofa baby or what? They were comfortable. They were outside. Akwalano, if she say, and young pie be or more butcher idea, ko be same kwala. Looking at all these transition akwalani family now, akwalani buwe yeno. Yenya sofo mani kushano papa Apostle Archbishop Emeritus Lawrence Tete CEO papa na minshira onne kusi akwala no ye fu so ma ye sie kama wi yenya nkofo a na omo pese akwala no destiny no ye short omo never say omo di nkonim because akwala ni wi now akwala free owi what has been the lessons so far? The accident said yanyom to follow omu eco shows are omushe omu akwansu ye any sane manema have there been any lesson so far?
Oh, life in your trust was how
hey sir
yes that time no one dey obi like
hey careful
go to na gasi tari but after 2 weeks
Ghana suba no Ghana sem si awacha 2 weeks
normal life back to factory reset.
Back to
factory reset.
Back to
factory reset.
I like this thing. Ghana 2 weeks. Assemble after 2 weeks.
Back to factory reset.
Allah. After 2 weeks, back to factory reset. Wow, I love this thing. Let's see, I said what other than what.
Yes, that time Italy said I say boy massa. See I can na Jamaica no again say
I feel quite a bit more.
Now that's how we can't even because my beach resort or Takrade. Ghana musician with a personal body, but then the more follow the moon you said. Shit, never of course. What did that time I call? I call the black.
Oh, we must be sharing. Bikini, no name. Doing one naked, no. Oh,
in this area, some Ghana maybe blame the alliance. A time who been out some of the share, some of the kind of shit. Or near fact, or target on or man of where she has. The other against your man of where she has. Everybody never man of answer.
There you go. The last message to we audience.
Oh, okay. Sene Kano, Ebony, the legacy story song.
Wow.
And undisputed, you know. You be necessary, you do work for your mother, but the next generation of it when you're by time the crop of industry, you can say, man or woman, And then grandma no cry, no cry.
Man, no.
2 years no cry. I was signing one for 10 years.
Oh, yeah.
In 2 years, just
I'm
2
on
years.
15 years. I'm on 15
Some
years.
they find someone come.
Yeah. Okay.
On the watch out. They find someone. It's just the 2 years no cry. Over shadow go for 10 years. It's everybody get. Let us get. That was the inspiration of call. And I still I'm on the various platforms now on streaming because still able to see how to
Andy, medical can Andy or your experts, your bad young name, right? So I told you on underground for you. Underground for no heavy parody or in underground. Or your artist now, so what you do. Still now, Musa management, you know, a loopholes more contact Andy. We are better get a platform now, too much GH, or comment, no say, oh, I need Andy. Or the email by my chat. Or no. Apart from email, when you see WhatsApp, when you social media, when you see Gmail, and now yahoo.com. And what? And I'm friend why mail. Aha. And a whole and I'll but the email address let me found 2 of course. There'll be a messages ever or no new WhatsApp. When you share the iPhone 12 new crown, iPhone 11 Pro new crown, on fan call WhatsApp, on fan call Tango. When you shoot a email kwan no ye adwuma e wo so ni bia e digital say me maka say me feel classical by shoes you should be na no say he's part of the legendary team and only the ekoso but that say o be come bless you to meet me alright that's it abusafo where can you do again and then Ebony so some kakra ye kan ye utia uti say yes Ebony has done very well. Na akwala no yesi yefe bibi chiba onye chiba Ghana fo ni timi ka sanse mu ne ga cheche yewe o akwala no onye chiba kire se onche we dey ubu amasa akwala fa so ye road accident I'm telling you sa kwai na akwala ne fa so ye ya commemorate ne 3 years anniversary ye di Baby, I'm asking you, has there been a new development at that same area? And Krofua, apart from Ebony Wuyen, I think in 3 days or a week, we'll be saying we would same sports. Ghana for the need, say, young Tom Ghana, my China fools, say, yo. To the beer, the system is not working. To the beer, I work here, Nasa factory setting. These are the things I'm telling you, say, Ghana, we need to rise up. May you be more. Yeah, I can hear you. The idea of your parents say, no, lawyer consume. Every idea, we pump payano. Say, no, lawyer consume by the Kabuya Mummy. Take the Meshiasin. Come on, Buya, Nami living legend. Say, Brawy, Abuya and the born money. The guy there in Abuya and the born money. None can cry. Ye de aye bibi enye sa nyema we ye kokoso eya carry ka bicycle ko abo but just look at this it's so pathetic na dey me gari say akora we say di e body jollof dey me jaba ko but Starboy party when you need the say body jollof na le di jollof dada make sure that they are making sure nobody do off here or this two back home or trusting issues. Yes, we go be the off or this two back home or trust issues. That's what one can say we need many because your off no it is still there. The other thing this two are no more man being yes it or still this side is still a bush man as a war before. I don't read many in this. We need to go for Michael. Let's say from the face and maybe I will change the